everyone, welcome back, and in today's video we will learn how to make a beautiful landscape filled with life. So I have already made the borders with the help of pencil, rubber and scale, and I have outlined it with a black sketch pen. And now we will require a pencil, and let's start drawing it horizontally. So first of all we will need to starting from the bottom, or you can call a foreground it. So we will make a semicircle in the foreground, a beautiful semicircle. And if you're a small kid, you can take a bowl or to make it with the help of a bowl. So let's just make another circle round like this. And I'm making only the land part. I will tell you which we will do, filled with different things. So it's divided like this, and we will take this part as a pond, and we will place some lives in it. How to make a duck? I'm making a circle first, then its neck, then its front body and back. Similarly, just a base we have taken. I will tell you how to do it. Now the neck, and here you can add some water. One, two, three. Now 1, 2, 3. Similarly in this also. Let's add water. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And we'll add beautiful eyes. All right, let's just add some leaf center and side ones. Similarly here, first we will add the center one, then left and right, and then we'll add some flowers inside that. All right, so the foreground thing is done. Let's just finish the line part. And now we will make a house here. Look at this, how I'm making it. Let's just start making the house. I'm taking a slanted lines like this. You can take this one straight and this one like this. Then V shape, or you can take a triangle here, and let's just do it like this. You can make a straight house also if you want. I'm making a little bit cartoonish with making the curvy lines. It should be these should be all parallel, similar. And then door, windows. All right, let's just add a extra thing in it, a chimney. Let's just draw it. So I have outlined it Let's add just some more things. And here I'm adding one more line. Okay, and now time to make the background things. I'm making one line here like this, another like this, and we'll add bushes in this. Okay, some barriers. You can make it like this also, and V. Let's add a tree here. Those don't know how to make a tree, let me tell you. Let's make a curvy line here, and one V, second V, and just to complete this line. And here cloud like shapes, and let's just make this tree like this. Okay, it's on the back side of it, so we will not make it and overlap with the house. So let's, tree has been done, and one tree we will add here. So I'm taking it from here in the very foreground, it's in the background. Here we will add in the foreground. And how we will make it, it's a land, so we will overlap this part. This land we will make it overlapping. Again same thing, 1, 2 and 3, and we'll make the same thing as we did in the first tree. And let's just do it. As this tree is in the foreground, the bottom, it will be bigger in size. And we'll add some grass over here. And some plants you can add. I'm adding mushrooms. And what else we can add? I'm just thinking we can add a rabbit over here. Look at here. But behind the tree, we will make a circle. Here we will make a carrot leaves, hand, and we are making a bunny, so we add the big ears and eyes with a small white dot inside, nose in the center, and smile. All right, now here more bushes and one more mushroom. Lovely. Then we will finish this. Don't overlap the line over the things we have made. Now it's time to make the bushes over here, or let's just make one more small house over here. Triangle, door, and that's it. Now you can add some bushes. Alright, now let's just make a beautiful sun in the very center of the scenery. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You can make as many as you can fill in. Beautiful eyes with a white dot and a smiley. And what else we can add? A beautiful cottony cloud. So it's a filled with life scenery we have done. Birds you can add. And what else we can add? Yes, we can add some leaves or bushes over here. So I'm adding leaves only. 1, Look at here, one line, leaf, then leaf, okay. Just some grass impressions. And how can you make this tree look more real? With some lines. That's it. We will not make in this. That would be enough for this. So now we will erase the pencil. To make it more look smiley, I'm just adding this line till here and nose. Now it's time to erase it. Erase the pencil works. That's why I always do the pencil very lightly. At the end we have to erase it now. So don't do it very darker. So we can erase it easily. So if you want to learn how to color it beautifully, you have to watch the another video. Thank you everyone, and try it at home. It's a scenery filled with different lives like rabbit, duck, birds, water and trees, etc. So try it. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.